Okay, here. Let's see. Damn, it is like way too hot today. Whew. Way too hot today. Oh, bless you. The crypto undead is in the chat. Let's go. We're probably gonna get like 20 people in here today. Not that many. Let's see, are we bullish again? Are we bullish? Or are we bearish? We got TCU in the chat. Ari, welcome to the live stream. Good evening. Yeah, good evening, even though it's light out right now. Crazy. It's 5 o'clock. Or I guess it's 5 o'clock, but... No, it did get dark at 5 o'clock before, which is why I would have to turn on the light. But I guess now I don't, which is pretty good. I can just live stream with the light on, or with the light off. Very hot today. It's like 90 degrees here. Bitcoin's having a nice move, so we actually might get a lot of people in here. How are these coins doing? Oh, wow. That's not good. Yeah, so Lapclaw did get rejected. Yeah. Yeah, it did end up getting rejected and rugged. I hope Dude, I'm so happy Triple T got out, because if he didn't get out, then he would have gotten wrecked. So I'm so happy he made like 10 grand. So good. 8:20 for me. Yeah, it's 5:20 here, so you're on the East Coast. Maybe if I move to Florida, I'll also be on the East Coast time. That would be nice. That would be nice. Bottom is in, boys and girls. Oh, wow. Bottom is in. Wait, how's Dogecoin looking? Dogecoin's still getting suppressed. You do need to break 11 to 13 to break out. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if it happens or not. What was the other coin? Oh, Michi. Don't get Michi'd. Whoa. It's just this chart gets me every single time. How's Billy looking? Billy had a retracement and it got rejected. Okay, so let's not look at that. This is also going down. Bio, this was the other one. Okay, so it's attempting to hold this uptrend. I guess we just kind of have to shift it a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see if Triple T is right about this coin. I wonder if he'll come by the live stream today. Yeah, we are pumping. Let's go. Yo. 81,000 next target. 81.2. Yeah, I don't know what that's. Silver Days, welcome, and thank you so much for the membership. Stevie says Elon. I don't know, is Elon going up? Am I making money? No, but it is. I mean, it's still on its way to our area of resistance at 43 to 57. So, I mean, you know, we're up technically from this low around 43%. So, maybe we get one final move that pushes us into this area, and then we mark some sort of top before we come down, or we get a breakout. As long as we can break over 57 and stay over 57, you are looking at a reversal and not just some sort of retracement. So that's pretty key. That's key. We have 3 votes in. 33% of the chat is bullish. We got 67% of the chat is bearish. How's Uniswap looking? Same with Uniswap. It's attempting to break out, but you are still under critical area of resistance. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, it's up 40%. It's pretty good. That is pretty good. I guess we could make an Elon video, even though I guess, yeah, we really don't need to make an Elon video, but maybe I should. Maybe I should just because. Oh, you know what was going up? OXT. OXT looks like it's still going up. Yo. Wow. What a good move. OXT's back, baby. Look at this.
Was that for me?
What? I think, I don't want to say the name, but not Siri, but the other one thinks that I was talking to her. Yeah, this was a 54% pump. We are still heading to Mars. Thanks for the time, brother. Yeah, of course. I'll make a video on it. I mean, I make my weekly update videos on it anyway, but there's, you know, I'm at $3,900. Let's go. Silver Day says Turbo. Is Turbo having a nice move? Yeah, Turbo had a nice move, but you're still under critical resistance around 14 and 19. So in order for this to not just be some sort of retracement, it absolutely needs to break this area of resistance. If it does not, then you're just getting some sort of retracement and not, some sort of, retracement and not a reversal. That's what I meant to say. So in order for this to be a reversal, you need to break this area of resistance. If you don't, you're still validating this downtrend that we've been in. So it's pretty good though. Congratulations to whoever got in at this move. This is around a 58% move. That's huge. That's huge. Huge. Knights of Insomnia says, what's up, folks? Welcome, and thank you so much for the membership, man. I really appreciate that. Flex says, are we back? I mean, no, we're not back. We're not back until we break 81,000. I know that's Permabear, and if Aloe was here, he would be like, oh, you're a Permabear. But I would put a reversal in play if we get over and stay over 81,000. Anything under that is just chop and eventually going to break back down. So just be careful. Slow start. We got 10 bogeys in the chat. We got 10 bogeys in the chat. Yeah, wow. Elon's showing great strength right now. Wait, which means, what about Shiba? Yeah, Shiba's also, I just can't believe Shiba went all the way down to 51. What about Samo? Yeah, Samo's not doing anything. Or Cube. Yeah, Cube's also not doing anything. We can check the crypto bubbles. Let's see. Wow, Picoin. 108%. That's nice. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, from the low, you're looking at 119%. Just keep in mind for Picoin, be careful. We're extremely overbought, and we're probably hitting some sort of area of resistance, which we are. So keep in mind, it's still bearish under 27 cents. If this candle doesn't close over 27 cents, we are gonna get rejected and come back down. But the next, as long as we do stay over 27 cents, the next target on the upside is 43 cents. I forgot about MOG. What's MOG doing? Yeah, this is still bearish, unfortunately. Yeah, this is textbook retracement. So, MOG came back up, smacked against resistance, and then capitulated, made a lower low, validating this downtrend. So traders took profits around 83%. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Now, you don't have to get a retracement here, but if you do have resistance overhead at 17 to 20. And then on the bigger time frame, it's going to be the same thing, where it's 26 to 39. So you have a lot of resistance on the way up. Yo, Floofin, welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the 12-minute mark of the live stream. I need to get some water, so give me a second. But welcome. I hope you're doing well. Triple T's not here, but I'm glad he sold, because look, before I go get water, look at this. Dude, if he had held, he would have gotten wrecked. So this is where he made like whatever, 10 grand, whatever it was, 8 grand. And he ended up selling it, and it went all the way down, and he put in $1,000 here. We said it's bearish as long as it doesn't break this area, and look at what happened to it, man. Super bearish. So I'm glad he took his profits. Silver Days has floofing. Look at these swings though. Man, 800%, and it came all the way back down. Man. Flex for $3. Let's go. Flex for $3, man. Let's see what you got. You said Avax, Plume, and Manakee. Oh my god, you're still holding Manakee? Bro, you're the holder, diamond hands of a lifetime, man. If this thing goes back up, bro, you are gonna make so much money. Yeah, so for Manakee, is this still on crypto.com? Dude, there's just so many good plays on crypto.com. Oh my god, it is. But look at the liquidity score. There's literally nothing there. That sucks. Yeah, so for Manakee, let me close that. Yeah, I mean, it looks like you're putting in a bottom, man. So if you're buying right now, you're hoping to get this reversal. It looks like you're putting in a bottom, okay? So on the macro time frame for Manakee, you are still bearish under 3072 to 2014. So keep in mind, even that is going to be around a 145 to 382% move. High risk, high reward. I still don't know how the coin has 2.4 million liquidity and a 2.6 million market cap. Keep in mind, you can still come up to that area and get stuck and validate this downtrend that's forming, okay? Once you break this area and you get that reversal, you will start getting big moves up, and it'll no longer be just like a retracement like you've gotten every single time before. It'll actually be a reversal, but until it breaks this purple box, none of that is valid. Also, for Manakey, you really need to get volume, because right now it doesn't look like there's any volume on Manakey, and you need volume for the coin to succeed. So that's the first thing. The second thing you said is Plume. So let's take a look at Plume for you. Yeah, so for Plume, it's still bearish under our purple box. I know you just had a nice move, but I don't care even if it comes back up to 1 cent 90, because you can still come back up to either of these areas and get stuck and validate this downtrend, make a lower high, and get rejected and come back down. We did note that you were close to extremely overbought, so it is temporarily probably going to put in a top, which it did. Now keep in mind, you are actually staying over 1 cent 18, which is very short-term area of support. So as long as it stays over 1 cent 18, which is at 1 cent 20, you could get the next leg up to actually push you in this area of resistance. So what you really want to see is a continuation, a breakout, as opposed to a retracement and then an invalidation. So that's pretty much it for Plume. You're waiting to break this box overhead. Now taking a look at Avalanche. Oh my gosh, AVAX. What a blast from the past. Yeah, of Avalanche. That's funny. I was going to say Avalanche. Avalanche still has resistance overhead at $10 to $13. Kind of looks like Uniswap and even Dogelon and all the other coins that are sitting at their cycle lows. You have resistance overhead at $10 to $13. Once you break that, then you're looking at $20 and eventually breaking out of this downtrend. We can start taking a look at the macro targets on the upside. But as long as it's under the purple box, you could still even come back up to either of these levels, get stuck, come back down and make a lower low. The next lower low and the next major area of support to the downside is $6.37. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you so much for the $3, man. That's awesome. I really appreciate that. Manakey is going back up, trust me. Bro, dude, if it had better liquidity on Crypto.com, I was already on the fence of installing Crypto.com and buying OXT, but look at that. The liquidity sucks on Crypto.com. Is it on Gemini? No, it's not on Gemini. Yeah, no. It's really good on... Oh my gosh, it's really good on Radium, though. Yeah, it's really good on Radium. Oh my gosh. Hold on. What's happening with... Do you guys remember that one coin that got listed on Robinhood? It's Mew. Yeah, whatever happened to Mew? Yeah, it got listed on Robinhood here. And then it went straight down. Yeah, wow, Robinhood holds $4 million worth of Mew. That is a lot. That is a lot. Yo, Triple T's in the house, man. Welcome. We were just talking about you earlier. I looked at Bio LLM and it hasn't been really doing anything from last night. And then I looked at LapClaw, And I'm like, dude, I'm so happy you sold because look, the coin absolutely went down. So I'm really happy you sold. I'm really happy you sold it. So, what was the other? What were the other coins that you said that you had? And then we could take a look at it because I don't know, man. You move fast, so I don't know what you have now. It could be anything. It could be whatever happened to that cancer coin, the cure cancer. Do you still have this? Oh yeah, this isn't doing anything. Dude, I wish I could buy this coin. Is this even a coin I can buy? Yeah, I guess I can buy this coin. Oh, wait, never mind. I can't even stake it, so never mind. I got mustard and distorted leprechaun / world oldest animal. Oh my gosh, man. I've never heard of anything. Okay, let's look at mustard first. All right, taking a look at mustard. All right, maybe it's gonna go up on the live stream because last time that's what happened. When did you get in? So you got mustard. You got distorted. You got distorted leprechaun. Oh my god, these are like total gamble plays, man. And then you got world oldest animal. Yo, let's go. This isn't bad. Yeah, this isn't bad. This one is bad. Yo, I hope this thing goes up. I just put $200 on them. Okay, that's not bad. You know, $200 on distorted leprechaun is gonna be around 2 grand, so that's pretty good. Complete gamble shot in the dark, but I don't even know how high this thing can go because you're probably already up on the world's oldest animal, but I mean, even another 10x is going to send you to a 700,000 market cap, which is what your lap claw hit yesterday before it went down. Good thing you sold, man. I'm happy you took your profits. And then mustard, I don't even know, 375k market cap. You just had a monster. You just had a monster run. Yeah. You just did like a 40x. That is a lot of money. A 40x. Yeah. I got in at 4072 on animal. Okay, so you're up on animal. 4072. Let's mark this. Okay. So you got in, so you're up like 10% right now, and you did get 38%. So even at 5x, let's just say, a 5x is going to send you to $1,000. It's not bad. If it keeps going, we'll just keep monitoring him, seeing if you get that move or not. But yo, it's okay because you made a lot of money, and now you're only putting in, you only put $200 in 3 different coins. So now you got to just keep that money. So yeah, it's pretty good, man. Good for you. Distorted Patty, I got in at 4 zeros 20. Okay, so you are kind of down on this right now, but it doesn't matter because it was only $200, so it's fine. And on Mustard at 3 zeros 53, and I put 560 on that one. Wait, let's see. 3 zeros 53. Okay, so you're up a little bit. So all it has to do is just have a nice little pump, and yeah, get out at 2 zeros 1. Like triple up your money. Let's see. Let's mark it. You said 3 zeros 53. Oh, wait. 3 zeros 53. Okay, so you got in here. So you're actually down 31%. Okay. And you put 560 on it. Okay, I hope this thing reverses for you, Triple T. But man, we are really moving on BTC. That's nice. Smash Toshi, welcome to the 28-minute mark of the live stream. Meow, can you do BTC, Solana, and ETH? Yeah, for $3. I'm just joking. Yeah, of course I can. Give me a second. Yo, thank you so much for the super chat. You don't have to super chat me again. BTC, Solana, and Ethereum. BTC. Well, actually, I'm going to do BTC last. Let's do Solana. Yeah, so Solana, just keep in mind, I know a lot of people are turning bullish right now. $91 to $111 is resistance, and you can see we've been respecting this area of resistance since February. This needs to break out. If it doesn't, you're just going to get some sort of retracement as opposed to a reversal. A reversal would be over $111. Then we could expect big moves to the upside. But we could still come back up, validate this downtrend that we're very much forming right now. And the next lower low, the next macro area support will be around $48 for Solana. So be careful. Ethereum, we never updated it because we're still below a critical area of resistance, which was previously support. So this area was support, okay? So technically Ethereum hit our area of support at the 618786 at 18 to 22. But so we didn't really need to change the targets because unfortunately 2261 is now critical area of resistance. So once we break that, then we can start taking a look at the targets on the upside. So the only target that you need to know for Ethereum is 2261, and then from there, then I could redo my chart. But we could still come back up to 2261, wick over it, and then close under it, and come back down to 18 and break down. So Just keep that in mind. And then I'll do Ethereum a little bit later. Triple T for 99 cents says, I'm down $200. That's not bad. You made like 10 grand. Or you made like $8,000 yesterday. So that's totally fine. Triple T for another 2 beans says, and howdy everyone. Yo, thank you so much for the $3, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. We got 3 super chats tonight already. That's pretty good, man. That's $6. That's like a foot long. Everything's a foot long if it's $5 or $6 or $7. Yo, thank you. Thank you so much for the super chats, man. We are getting higher on the subs. Like, I think we're finally breaking out because we're going up. So I think we're finally... Yeah, I think we're finally breaking out. We're breaking out of this horrible, horrible downtrend that we've been in. Look at that. We finally broke it. Oh my gosh. We finally broke 89.50. Let's go. Healthy chart. Healthy chart. I guess last 90 days is healthy too. We had a steep incline and then just kind of sideways grind. 365 days also looking pretty good. Last year we were at 5,700. Now we're at 8,900. So we almost doubled up. That's really good. Very, very, very good. So thank you so much for all the subscribers. I really do appreciate all of the support. Right, I did that. Nothing. I did. That's nothing. Yeah, $200 when you make 8 grand is nothing, man. You seen 25K? Yeah, I wish, nobody can tell you to sell, but just remember that if you ever put $200 in and you see more than 10, or I would say more than 10,000, but your ass, man, you somehow pull these miraculous moves. If you see more than 20 grand, just take the money. Like, just take the money and run. That's funny. Let's see if anything's going up. No, no, and no. Yeah, and then Flex, I'll take a look at BTC now because I had to read the super chats. No dude told me to sell last night, remember? Oh, yeah. The Floofin. Floofin told you to sell. Yeah, Floofin was like, bro, you need to sell. I'm saying me. Right? Anyway, I would have sold, man. I mean, the thing is, I would have sold at like 10K, so I wouldn't even seen 25 grand. But regardless, you still made $8,000, so you still did very good. Jeffrey says, "What's up? Have you heard of Wojak on ETH?" I could take a look at it for you. Yeah, so for Bitcoin right now, just keep in mind it's still, it's kind of doing the same thing where it's forming some sort of bear flag like it did last time. So just keep that in mind. Obviously, keep that in mind. You can still come back up to $81,000 and it could still validate this downtrend. So until it breaks $81,000, then you're still bearish, unfortunately. I know that's really crazy to say, but that's just my opinion. Next landing pad is 60,000. And when 60,000 breaks, then you're looking at 58,000 and then deeper correction to 43 and then 40s, possibly 30s, high 30s. And then let's take a look at Wojak on ETH. I got to keep these coins here for Mr. Triple T. So Wojak, this is the story of my life. Wojak on ETH. Yeah. It's not really doing anything. So, oh, what happened to Jesus coin? Is that still around? Yeah, it is still around, bro. Is this like, should I buy this now? Wow. Yeah, is this dead? Is this locked liquidity or what? Yeah, pink sell, pink bot. What is this? Oh, I guess it's locked. Yeah. Okay. Huh. Yeah, so for Wojak, I mean, you're looking at a gamble. Obviously, it's a obviously it's a 4x back up to its all-time high, which is actually crazy that it's only a 4x. So it's not like it really fell by that much. It's 400% back up. It's a 6.9 million market cap and 444,000 lock liquidity. So it's not too crazy. It's not too bad. That was my second 100x. My first one was Saitama Inu. Oh my god, what happened to Saitama though? Didn't that project get rugged? Seeing 20 G's off of Saitama, 80K is the next test for BTC. Yeah, so we do have resistance at 81,000. That would be the next retest, but we do have to break over and stay over 72,000. Unfortunately, if we don't, then we're gonna break down again. Let's see, any more subs? No. Bajornabek, welcome. Welcome to the live stream, Bajornabek. Abdul says check out Kokupai koalas. What? Kokupai koalas. I'm assuming that's a gamble play. Yeah, another gamble play, man. Another gamble play, 982,000 market cap, 80,000 lock liquidity. Once you get this breakout, then you should see a big move to the upside. I don't know, anything's possible with this. You could just go to 5 million market cap, get an easy 5x. Good luck, man. Hidden Bull, welcome. I'm going for a triple T move with Adam. 200x, bro. I don't know why I said that. That's very unprofessional. Bruh. Bro. Let's see. Yeah, 200x. I mean, the problem is that Adam actually released a bunch of coins. So look, Adam is $1.84, and its highest market cap was 10 billion. So if you 10x that, you're going to get Adam at 10 billion market cap with the price at $18. The all-time high price for Adam is $38, okay, or $40. So that means, to me, that tells me that Adam has released so much coins into the circulation that it's going to put the market cap 4 times as higher as it was at $40 to get the price to hit the same price as the previous all-time high. So I don't know, man. I'm not trying to FUD you out at Adam, but I'm not saying it can't go up too, but if I see Adam at like Let's even say best case scenario. Yeah, if I see Adam at $13 to $23, man, I will probably be like, yo, hidden bull, like maybe you should take your money out. Or like, you know, maybe you should take some profits on the way up, you know. I wish I would have seen that coin. Bajorbek says, look like Elon is breaking to the upside after 40 years. After 4 years. I mean, it might as well be 40 years. Yeah, dude, Elon's breaking out. Let's go. This is great. Elon to the moon. And so is OXT. Can you believe that? No, I don't do that. I get in early. Dude, Monero had a monster move too. Wow. I'm surprised Dash didn't. Did you say OXT? Yeah, OXT had a nice move. I didn't get in, but you remember we were talking about it? I didn't get in though. But look at this. It had a nice move. I think it had a 50% move. Yeah, it had a 55% move. Hold on, let me like walk around really quick. Whew. Can you hear it? OX, same Dogelon Mars, founder and Ox, they move together. They do move together. Finally, it's about damn time, Bajornabek. Come on. Pump my OX. I don't even have OXT, but pump the OXT bags and have people get their money back. Does anybody play One Piece? Yes, because it's Ox. Ox is 2026, is May. Bubos, Kubos says, what about Popcat? I don't know. What about Popcat? Let's take a look at it. Popcat. If you guys don't know what I just did there, then you guys clearly don't know Popcat. Here, let me show you. I feel like now I owe you guys an explanation. Look, Popcat. Look. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many pops. What the heck? It's not going up. Why isn't it going up? Oh my god. Yo, I could just sit over here and just keep clicking this, man. This is like a little game. Yeah, that's what the live streams are gonna be. Pop, 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 pop. Dude, that's actually funny, man. Let me see. Did it even like update? No, it didn't even update. All right. Well, I got distracted. So let's take a look at Popcat. I think it's Pop. Oh, it's just Popcat. Okay. Popcat USD. Let's find the coin. I guess we could use this. Yeah, so for Popcat, I mean, this thing is so bearish right now, unfortunately. Yeah, you're literally holding on to your 618 retracement, an area of support at 5 cents. So very critical area of support at 5 cents here. This absolutely needs to hold. If it doesn't, you will come back down and retest the next major area of support, validating this downtrend. At that point, it'll hit you. You'll hit a 1 cent 90. Sorry, 1 cent 80. If you get a reversal, though, then we'll start taking a look at the targets on the upside. But you have a long ways to go, man. So good luck with Popcat. Vojkabus. Kubos. Vojtakubos. Vojtakubos. I like that. I like that name. Nice name. What is very strange is crypto like to pump on the 11th. You're right. It did the pump on the 11th. I noticed that too. What's poppin'? Yeah, what's poppin' is Popcat's poppin'. We're looking at Triple T's coins. Nothing's going up yet. Yeah, nothing's going up yet, but we will keep monitoring it and hoping that these coins get pumped and Triple T can make another 10K on the live stream, man. Let's go. Yeah, wow, Bitcoin is really pumping right now, man. This is pretty good. Let's look at it on the 15-minute. Yeah, BTC pumping. Let's go. Hold on, one of the cats is... Hey, buddy. Or lady, what are you doing? Huh? Hey, Dee. Hey. Hi. What's up? You guys gotta eat your water. Oh, you guys gotta drink your water. Oh, man, they might not have any water. It's really hot out, too. It's 82 degrees right now. I mean, it was 90 and then 86, so... 11 is emotional. People play more risky. Yeah, I have to watch my emotions. So I have to watch my emotions. Oh, Ethereum's also pumping, man. Wow. Are we back? Am I gonna stay on the live stream pretty late tonight, or what? Is it gonna be one of those nights? Yo, that's good. That's good for business. Let's see. I give my sister dog spring water. Nice. I give our cats filtrated alkaline water. So they drink very, very, very good water. Well, look what we have here. The Permabear deciding to stream today. What? Bro, I've been live streaming every single day consistently since December. So ever since we've lost our fellow Vision, I've just decided to live stream every single day because I feel like I need to put in my time to feel what he's feeling. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, man, but yeah, we've been live streaming every single day since December, so yeah. I don't care if we go up. I don't care if we don't go up. We've been bearish the last 12 days, the last month, the last 3 months have been absolutely bearish. So honestly, it doesn't even matter to me. Like, and I'm not saying I want you guys to send me super chats, because I mean I do want that, but like it's bearish, so don't, like, I'm not saying it like right now. But all I'm saying is that regardless on whether I get super chats or not, I've still came in here and done my live streaming, regardless on whether it's bullish or bearish, which the majority of the time this year it has been bearish. So it's not like I'm not doing it for like any, like, it's literally just staying consistent and putting out content every single day to grow my channel. So yeah, Aloe, I hope you don't feel bad now. I'm surprised he isn't homeless yet. How so? What, you really think he's like a degen gambler? I don't think so. Triple T, what year are you born? I'm guessing he was born in 1989 or 1985. 1985. You know what? I'm gonna say 1980s. Oh yeah, you're live a few weeks back about the lunar cycles are real. Keep up with that. Oh yeah, I could look up the lunar cycles too. You're right. So there's actually an indicator on here that shows lunar cycles. A lot of people don't like that, but I don't give up. I can't say that because I'll get demonetized. It'll affect my channel revenue. Yeah, good for YouTube, man. What was it? Moon cycles, right? Moon phases, yeah. So, yeah, look at this, guys. Bearish during the blue, and then bullish during the full moon. So look at, dude, guys, we're about to, oh, whoa. Oh my gosh, we're about to go straight down. Guys, hey, thank Triple T for this. No more super chat, people. Triple T, hey, Triple T, I hope you know I really do appreciate the super chats. It's awesome getting super chats, man. It's like, dude, it's amazing. But don't ever, and I know you don't need some random person telling you what to do and what not to do, but don't ever feel like you're obligated or anybody's obligated to send any money. My goal is to always look at all your guys' coin anyway. So I'm just hoping y'all make money, like, you know, you guys make a whole bunch of money and tip the waiter. You know what I mean? Or not, yeah, tip the waiter or tip the dealer. So like that's I feel like that's like fair, because even I do that. Like when I go to Vision's live stream and I made a good trade on Elon, or I made a good trade on OXT, and I took money out. I'm like, oh yeah, hey, thanks for nothing. No, I'm just joking. I'll be like, yeah, thanks for telling me to sell my OXT, because if you didn't tell me that, then I'd be broke. But anyway, I hope that made sense. So yeah, thank you so much for the super chats, man. I really do appreciate all the super chats. So thank you. Oh my gosh, yeah. Hey, Triple T's on to something. When is the next next full moon is, oh, April 1st is a pink moon. Yo, April 1st is a pink moon. That's not good. Yo, we're about to get it's about to reset, and we're about to print blue, and we're gonna go straight down, guys. Triple T called it. Triple T called it. Oh wow. Dude, these moon phases are no joke. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll just buy off of the moon phases, man. Yo, Triple T for 99 cents. Thank you. April 4th coming up. Maxi's a punt. Man, oh, Maxi came out of nowhere, bro. Like, I said Vision, bro, and this guy just, like, this guy heard freaking Vision and just decided to put everything down and come in here. Man, Vision is becoming emotional. He might have missed buying in. It's sad seeing him lose. I don't want to read that out loud. Triple T, this is your year, bro. Go hard non-stop. 4 equals work hard, never stop. I think Triple T has worked hard his entire life, and now he's letting his money work for him. But Jordanbeck, I'm trying, man. I'm ready to start my CMOS business. That's where the money's at. Yo, I hope you make a website. You should make a website and just come in here. I mean, don't spam it, but you should definitely come in here and just, like, post it. You should have a website and have a product and then just like go advertise it. You know. Bajornabek says, 8 money come and money go in your life. Bajornabek said, you are at a 5 life path. Hey, I was born on the 7th, Bajornabek. What does that mean? My wife was born on the 29th. Can you tell me something about those numbers? I'm a Gemini and she's a Virgo. Can you tell me about that, please? Well, all these bearish signals would be a shame if we just moved to 100K. Bro, hey, I'm telling you, it's about to be blue and we're about to fall off the table. How do you know I can't stay still? Okay, I am. It's gonna be on TikTok too. Yeah, it's gonna be on TikTok too. Yeah, you post that on TikTok and you start making video and content with it and you tag your own product, man. There you go. That's literally, people are going to be looking at you, buying product from you, and that's going to be, you know, your ticket to constant flow of revenue and income. Maxie says, man, Meow might have missed the bottom. I don't think so. I still have my 100 billion Dogelon, man. But I haven't bought, like, anything since last... I don't even know when, dude. That was the long... I don't even know. 708. Yeah, 708. What a disappointment, man. I'm still... Like, it's still, like, 50% less than that. How do I... Yeah, there we go. Let me... Where is the moon? There we go. Yeah, let me turn off the moon phases. Yeah, so just be careful. We're about to have no moon, which means that the market's probably going to go down just like the tide. So just keep that in mind. Maxie's a punk. I don't think I missed the bottom because I don't think that we've bottomed. I think that this is a retracement followed by a deeper correction as opposed to a full-blown reversal. I don't think that was it. I don't think Bitcoin bottomed at 60,000. I think we're going much further down. And it's just going to take a lot longer. It's going to be a lot of chop, okay? That's what I think. But it doesn't matter. It's fine. Like, it's not, like, I'm not hurting or anything, you know? I'm not one of those people that puts all of their money into crypto. Like, I would say, like, crypto is, like, I don't know, not a very small portion of my... portfolio right now. 5 is traveler in life. Same with me. 5. Okay, 29 and 7 are best friends. Whoa, dude. Wait, so what does that mean? You're saying that me and my wife are best friends? I mean, we are best friends, but we're obviously more than best friends. 11 and 7 are the most smart people in the world. Yo, let's go. I'm smart? What? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, man. Thank you. But yeah, that's awesome, man. Triple T, your numerology is fine. Your numerology is 5 main and 8 second, like I am. Oh, that's cool. I'm supposed to be finally moving next week. Let's go. Let's go, Triple T's finally moving. Hey, I thought you were moving a while ago. I thought that's why you weren't coming to the live streams. Little pump before the next leg down. I'm not trying to be bearish because Maxi and Aloe are going to come out of nowhere and tell me to shut the heck up. I'm not going to be bearish because I don't know. I mean, if we break 81,000 Aloe, like, I will... I don't even know what I can do. I will make a special badge just for you if I can even do that. I will literally make your logo one of the things, like one of these things, like the stickers. Yeah, I think that's good. I think I'll do that. To give you personality cycle, it's 9 equals don't start nothing new, don't simp for a woman. I know you will 100% 100% this year, and don't do drugs. That is correct, ladies and gentlemen. Do not do drugs. I know that might hit certain people a certain way, but trust me, your feelings are deceiving you. Like, hello. Fetch AI token meow. Fetch token. What the heck? Oh, that's not fetch anymore. That's super artificial intelligence. Blah 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 blah. Right. Um, super super artificial intelligence. Is it? Yeah, it's this. Oh, I guess it is fetch. Yo, it's going up on a Tuesday. Yeah, hey, so with FET, you actually, yeah, so you're still in this downtrend for FET. So it's still bearish under 26 cents. So the same as Ethereum, okay? So Ethereum, we came into macro support, and I'm not going to change the chart because you're still validating a downtrend, and you're going to go up and retest this area of support as now resistance, which is now flipped resistance. So keep in mind it needs to break 26 cents overhead. Otherwise, you're just making a lower high, and you're going to get smacked back down. 9 means you fight a lot. 9 personality year, you must quit what you hate most now. Bajornabek 5 and 8, you must be right for real. I see 8 all the time, and 2 and 4s. Just 81K, let's say 100,000. Don't make it easy for me. Bro, are you serious right now? You're like, are you serious? Wait, do you actually think we're going to 100K? I mean, dude, that would be insane. Yeah, if it goes to 100K, that would suck. My Dogelon's going to go up a lot. I mean, my Dogelon is going up a lot right now, actually. I think I'm at like 4 grand now. Oh, never mind. I was at 4K. I was at 4 grand. Yeah, so you really, no, dude, we like, no, I can't see that. Yeah, you know what? Okay, I'll say, okay, all right. Just because you're saying that though, just because you're like, oh, don't make it easy for me. Fine, we'll do 100,000, but like, I really don't think it's gonna get past 81K. I think we're still validating this bear flag. So anyway, we'll see. Bojornabek says, so even though you're lucky, 9 personality year can destroy something too, because 9 means the end of the year and new start in 9 year 2025. I moved 3 times because I was in my 5 personality year. Weed is not a drug. I guess technically it's now no longer a drug. Yeah, that's true. I guess it's not. But if you smoke it, you're damaging your lungs. So you know. Maybe you just take gummies. I don't know, man. Do whatever you want. I never did drugs. Nice, dude. Big boss. It's okay if you have, man. Trust me, I'm not judging you. I never did drugs. Big boss of numerology. He smokes. Yeah, where the hell do you think he came up with all this stuff, man? You think some person's just gonna sit down and think of all this like not imaginary, but some creative things, like, you know. You know, maybe he smoked and he got all this, like, I don't even know. Yeah. How do I even explain that? I guess I don't. I haven't had a drink in over 2.5 years. No blank, no relationship. That's why I'm up. Been to myself. A lot of self-growth, Triple T. A lot of self-growth, man. Let's go. That's awesome, dude. 103 is around the bottom for the 10 out of 10 nuke. 103 is around the bottom of the 10 out of 10 nuke. I'm a good man. Yeah, man, it sounds like you are. You're consistent. You're persistent. As long as you keep that going and just make your CMOS thing, have the product, and then start posting it on TikTok. Because TikTok, I'm not even monetized on TikTok, but what you can do and how you get money on TikTok, which sucks, but whatever, I didn't know, is that you sell product and you tag products, okay? So what you can do is you can actually like be the face of your own product. So when people are scrolling and like say I see you on TikTok, and I'm like, oh, Triple T, like, oh, he has a product. I go to your shopping and I could just buy it right there. So not only do you get money like off of TikTok, especially if you use the TikTok shop, but you're also, if you're the one that's selling your own product, I don't know how their fees are. Obviously, you're gonna have to look into that. But you also get the money of like the product that you actually sell. So that's really good. That's really good. But I hope you do it, man, and I hope you do it. Yo, hey, Bajornabek, you got to tell me more about 7 and 29. I got to know more about my wife and I's compatibility. We need to know. Like 7, I'm a 7 and she's a 29. I am a Gemini and she is a Virgo. So you got to you got to tell me, we've been live for an hour and 5 minutes, but I'm going to stay on because I want to hear what you have to say. Why are you talking about the Loch Ness Monster? Is that why are you talking about Loch Ness Monsters? I don't know. I don't know why I'm talking about Loch Ness Monsters, man. I'm monetized on TikTok. I just haven't used it. Nice. Good for you, dude. Damn, you're monetized already? That's great. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, I'm at like 700 and something subscribers on it. So, but 777 I personally would remove. 777 is bad luck. My views going up on TikTok almost at 3K subs. Almost got 300,000 likes. Bro, that's crazy. Yeah, no, I'm monetized too, but I'm not. I guess I'm not. Can you get ad revenue from TikTok? No, right? Let me see. Yeah, so monetize. Yeah, it says work with artists, which I'm not a musician. Creator rewards program, 2 out of 4. Video gifts. There we go. That's what I need to get monetized. And it's video gifts, and I think, yeah, it says have at least 10,000 followers for video gifts. So I'm not even close to it. I really think TikTok is more of a pay to play, rather than, like, I feel like I need to pay to basically advertise, and then I'll get subscribers. But I'm not gonna do that. That's crazy. That, like, I'm not gonna spend money when I'm trying to get monetized. I'll just do it the old-fashioned way. Let's see. Give me her. I know yours. She's 29, and like 29, born on the 29th, and she's a Virgo, but that's it. I know yours. What's up, meow? What's up, Mike Max, bro? Welcome. Bajornabek, you're right. You have 7s. Yeah, Bajornabek, yes. Yeah, no. I got 1 sub, and it's my grandma. Let's go, supporting the grandma. Bajornabek, you're right, though. Me and 7s was all good. All 3 of my names have 7 letters. Aloe says what? Aloe says I'm about to have to put a emoji, a sticker of Aloe's profile picture, which I don't even know, like, this. Oh, isn't it? Like, didn't I ask you once who that was, and you were like, it's a singer or something like that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to, like, chop that and then put it as a put it as a sticker. All right, Jonathan's going red. Distorted isn't doing anything. And Mustard is still breaking. It doesn't matter. You only put $200 in, so it's a complete gamble anyway. So yeah, it's a singer. I know. I remember. I remembered. Oh my God. views are like. The views are should pick back up now that we had a nice pump on Bitcoin though. I thought sevens was good, but when I look back on my life, bad stuff be happening. It's okay, man. There's bad stuff happening all around. You just gotta get away from it. you just gotta walk away. That's my specialty. If there's any sort of bullshit at all, I'm just like, oh, you know what? I just walk away. It's just like, not worth it. It's dumb. No effort. There's no point. There's no tunnel. There is no light at the end of this tunnel. It's how energy works? Yeah, definitely. I believe that. You want to surround yourself with like positive people. You definitely want to surround yourself with positive people. Damn, OXT's having a nice green candle though. Wow, watch it actually come back to life. 25 million volume in the last 24 hours is actually really good. I keep looking at Vara like it's gonna magically do the same thing, but probably not. It's how energy works, but goat and monkey are not the best together. It's like man relationship. Yep, then eights are, the eights are me. I got out of jail December 22nd, 2024. Adds up to eights. Triple T, your lucky number is 5, 14, and 23. Yo, wait, what's my lucky numbers? I gotta write down my lucky numbers. I gotta figure this out. Come on, give me my lucky numbers. My wife is a 7. I'm an 11 too. She snakes, so same for me. It's medical. It's mediocre relationship. It's medium relationship. Yeah, it's not bad as long as it's not bad. Yo, what are my lucky numbers? What? Hey, Vizornabek, you gotta give me my lucky numbers, man. I gotta write it down. Not bad today, not bad turnout, even though Bitcoin was pumping. We got 17 concurrent viewers, which isn't bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. People are probably just waking up. Give me your full birthday. Oh man, I can't give you my personal information over the internet, man, but I will tell you I was born on the 7th. So, number 7. But I wish I could. Time for some Folgers. Hold on, buddy. Give me a second. Give me your full social. Yeah, okay. Yo, Cryinks, welcome, man. Welcome to the end of the live stream. Cryinks, ARC is not looking good. It is not maintaining any sort of structure right now. So I think you are probably going to be in for a deeper correction. I'd say you might find support at the $17 we talked about, which coincides perfectly. But with macro support at 15 to 18. But at any point, if you break a $15, you're in for a deeper correction back down to $10 to $12. That will happen most definitely. Keep in mind, even if we look at it before, you never ended up breaking below this critical area of support. And then here, I guess here is another example we can show. Is you you attempted to break the lower end of this channel, which is the 382 at $9, and you did get this correction, but then you quickly had a V-shaped recovery. So I don't know if that's what it's going to be this time, and that's where I got my numbers from, which was $15, $18 to $15, and then on the shorter time frame, it's going to be around $17. So anyway, this structure is very bearish, so just be careful with it. But I know you're holding anyway, so it doesn't matter. Just hold it long term anyway. Well, I can't give you your main number then? Oh man. Sorry, Triple T, I count wrong. It's 8. I told you it was 8. Let's see. Hey, what's up? Alright, guys. Well, we've been live for about an hour, almost an hour and a half. It's an hour and 20 minutes. So I think we're going to call it here. So thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate all the support. Thank you so much for the memberships, the subscribers, the super chats. I really appreciate all the super chats. It's awesome. That's amazing. And I really do greatly appreciate it. So thank you for supporting the channel. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. This is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Have a great night. Have a great day tomorrow. Happy early Friday. I will be live again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, around same time like we are every single day. So I hope to see everybody in tomorrow's live stream. If not, enjoy the rest of your night and have a great Friday tomorrow. Thank you and see you in